New to Bluesky? Here's a beginner-friendly tutorial to get started fast. Start by creating an account on Bluesky via the mobile app or web bsky.app. After signing up, complete your profile by adding a photo, display name, bio, and links so others know who you are. Next, use the search/discover section to find people, topics, or starter packs to follow. Your home feed will then show their posts. To share content, click New Post, write up to 300 characters, and optionally add images, links, or alt text, then publish. You can interact with others by liking, replying, or reposting posts. Bluesky also offers custom feeds, which are curated timelines based on topics or communities. Subscribe to feeds you like to personalize what you see. Finally, explore settings to manage notifications, moderation, and privacy, including who can reply to your posts. That's it. You're now ready to use Bluesky. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.